trouble so hard. Ooh, Lord, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble.
The top prize winner generates the most amount of debate, is the most contentious. It's often the most difficult one to pick because it has to meet every single criteria that we have and exceed it.
It was kind of a funny thing because someone would go over and look at it, hey guys, you got to see this. And they'd point out some new detail about it. So it continued to surprise us and delight us the entire week.
Designers and engineers have been poring over this type of product for years and years, and then this product has come along and I think has pushed up to a new level.
They've minimised the weight, they've made it durable, they've incorporated new materials.
It really looked and felt like a fresh approach.
It showed a high level of manufacturing expertise and skill, some innovation and a little bit of joy.
And it really highlights what can be achieved when you make the right decisions through the design process. It's just an excellent example of good design.
Ooh, Lordy, my trouble so hard. Ooh, Lordy, my trouble so hard. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God.